Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful fascinator. Can you see it? Can you see those steps in the fascinator? Can you see the embellishments? Wow, it looks absolutely amazing. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. If it is still showing red, it means you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified anytime we upload new videos. Now, if you'd like to learn how I achieve this beautiful design, stay tuned. Let's get started. Here are the things we're going to need for making this blue fascinator. I already went a step ahead to do this. Okay, you can see we all know how to do this, right? So I use two. I'm going to make it double. For now, I don't know the style I'm going to make, but I think I'm going to do it like this. I want to be on top of it. Okay, so that's why I doubled it like so. And I went ahead also to cover a bra cup. This is a bra cup. We all know the bra cup I usually use. Okay, so I covered it both inside and outside. Then what I used actually was I used a fabric like a stretchy fabric to cover it. You know the bra cup is usually white, right? So I used a stretchy fabric. Thereafter I used the net on top of it so that it can still reflect that netty part. Okay, because if I use only net, it's still going to be showing white, so we will not want that. So right now I'm going to go ahead and stitch it over it like so. I'm going to place it the right way like this, then stitch it together, then get back to us. Okay, and again I'm going to use this silver to embellish it. Okay, this I don't really know what the name is, but I bought it from the market. You can see it's shining. Okay, can you see it? Okay, it's stretchy like belts, so I bought it like that. So you can see that I started trimming it, just cutting it like half an inch. Okay, so when I finish, I'm going to use it to place at the edge of this inner one round. I may also place at the edge of the bigger one, but for now I don't know. So I'm going to carry you along as I go on. Okay, so let me quickly stitch this and get back to us. Here is it. I finished stitching it. You can see how I arranged it. I decided to make sure this one faces up like so. Okay, I bend here like in form of a love shape. Okay, I needed it to be sharp. You can see I'm still bending it because I need it to really face up. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. Thereafter, you see I stitched it. Okay, I will go ahead now and cut it, trim it, then glue it. Can you see the way I trimmed it? So I'm going to go ahead now and add some glue and press it down. You can see I finished stitching it, so I now covered it with my ribbon, and I also went ahead to add elastic. Then what I'm going to do next is to start my embellishments. I'm going to use this stuff that I cut out the other time to go round. I'll add my glue and just take it round this top one. Then maybe I may add some of these as well. I don't know now. I'm going to get back to you, so let me try to figure out what I should do to it. Okay, I'm going to start it from this angle, okay? You know this place is sharp, okay? So and I needed that V to show, so I'll just add the uh, candle glue to this stuff and not to the heart itself, okay? So you can also add to the heart as well, it depends on you, but I think this is better this way. Remember that it's very hot at this time, okay? So just stick it right there. I don't like this drawing part of um, candle glue, drawing like chewing gum. I don't know how many of you usually notice that and how many of you are irritated with it like me. Okay, so that's by the wayside. You can see how it is. I finished adding it to it. It's looking nice, right? I don't feel like adding to this other one, so I think it's okay like this because I'm still going to add some silver around this crown, okay? So before I go on, I'm going to just do a little design that I'm going to use. I'm using this my 0.90 wire, copper wire, okay? So I go, if I get any round object, this is vitamin C pack, so that's what I'm going to use. Anything round, depending on the size you want, just round it on it like so and twist it. So once it's firm, you just pull it down. Have something like this, push here down so it will not hurt your fingers. So I'm going to grab my net, then place it over it like so and try to gather it, okay, like this. See what we are trying to achieve. So once you get it like this, just twist it around a little. When twisting, don't twist it so hard so that the shape of the circle will not change, okay, unless you want an oval shape. So if you twist it too much, it's going to turn to oval and no more a circle. So after that, I'll take my thread and just tie it so that the net, that means I'm tying the net to the wire so that the net will not shift, okay? So knot it right there. Thereafter, I will cut it out. So this is what I have. I'm going to make use of 3. I'm going to add them somewhere here, like so. Okay. Then I'll place this my little ruffles that I cut out of the middle of this brim. I'll place it at the middle, then do it like this. So I may stick them together first before placing it on this, okay? So let me get my candle glue gun from where I plug it. I'll just add them to the back like I said earlier on, like so. Add glue and place it like this. Okay, this is all we have. So I'll also go ahead and add my feather, but before adding the feathers, I'll first of all place it so that I will see how it is. This side is facing front like this for me, okay? So I'm going to add them somewhere here. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So this is how it's gonna be. Thereafter, I will add my feathers. You can see the way I added it. I think it's okay like this. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cut some embellishment more from this. I hope we all know this shiny stuff. I'm just going to use it a little bit. So because the person wanted silver and blue, so I trimmed out. You see, I just cut out 3 lines each from this. Okay, so that's what I did. So what I'm going to do next is to open it. Okay, I open one, not to the end, just like a little bit, half, more than half. Then the other one I cut like half. Will I say half? Okay, let's say half. Okay, something like this. This is how I want it to be. I want it separated like this. Okay, this is how I want it to be. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat same on all others. I'm going to go ahead right now and add it. Okay, I'll add my glue, then place it right here. Try to fold one up like so, the other one will go straight and this one will go down. That's how I want the design to be. So I may not be able to zoom it now, but let me just add my glue. Just watch me, okay? I wouldn't want the glue to stain everywhere in as much as I'm trying to do this. So I'll just drop this down so that it can rest on it. Okay, I took a pieces and drop it down so that in case of any eventuality, okay, you know the glue usually dry off fast, so I need to be fast as well. So I just remove it, added glue here, added to the first one. Let me do it one after the other. So the next one goes to the middle. See the way it is. Okay, so I'm just going to continue like that. I'll add the next one again like this. I devised a new means. I just added glue at the down part first of all. You know, this thing is drying up so fast, so I wouldn't want to allow it to dry. Okay, so after this, I'll press it down, then take this one up. I think we are done. You can see it. Is it looking nice? This is what we achieved. Let me put it on so you can see. Is it nice? Now, you know the right thing to do, right? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Begin to give this video a big thumbs up. Please, if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, okay? Please feel free to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. You are in the right place. The first thing to do is to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we upload new videos. We upload videos every Mondays. Please like my videos and feel free to share with your friends. Stay tuned for more videos until I come your way again next time. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.